Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox and review an outstanding flashlight that everyone should have. Introducing the WUBEN X1 Rechargeable Flashlight, a game changer in the world of tactical lighting. With an astonishing 12,000 lumens, this flashlight is built to illuminate even the darkest corners, whether you're on a nighttime rescue mission or inspecting hard-to-reach places. This super bright flashlight will exceed your expectations. Equipped with 7 light modes, including strobe and SOS signaling, the WUBEN X1 offers unparalleled versatility. Its fast charging capability ensures you'll never be left in the dark for long. Simply plug it into any USB port and watch as it rapidly charges to full power. And with its I55 waterproof rating, you can rely on this high-powered flashlight even in rainy or wet conditions. From emergency situations to everyday use, the WUBEN X1 is designed to withstand whatever challenges come your way.